The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is a luxurious midsize SUV that blends style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and advanced features, it continues to impress those who value both comfort and performance. This model comes with a refined design, showcasing Lincoln's signature grille and elegant body lines. The LED headlights and taillights enhance its modern appearance, while the large alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Aviator offers a spacious and serene cabin with seating for up to 7 passengers. Premium materials, such as leather upholstery and real wood accents, create an upscale feel. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for long drives. The second-row captain's chairs are equally comfortable, and the third-row seats provide decent space for children or smaller adults. Cargo space is generous, making it ideal for family trips or everyday errands. Under the hood, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering impressive performance with smooth acceleration. For those seeking extra power and efficiency, there is a plug-in hybrid variant that combines the V6 engine with an electric motor, providing enhanced fuel economy and additional horsepower. The hybrid model also offers an all-electric driving mode for short distances, making it a great option for environmentally conscious drivers. The Aviator features an adaptive suspension system that ensures a comfortable ride on various road surfaces. The handling is composed, and the steering provides a good balance between precision and ease. Whether driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the Aviator offers a smooth and quiet experience. For added confidence, the available all-wheel drive system enhances traction in challenging weather conditions. Lincoln has equipped the 2025 Aviator with advanced technology to enhance convenience and entertainment. The large touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and supports smartphone integration, allowing seamless access to your favorite apps and navigation. A premium Revel audio system delivers exceptional sound quality, ensuring an enjoyable listening experience. Passengers will appreciate features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a rear seat entertainment system to keep everyone entertained on long journeys. Safety is a top priority for Lincoln, and the Aviator is packed with advanced safety features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. These features work together to provide peace of mind and help prevent accidents. The exterior color options for the 2025 Aviator allow buyers to personalize their vehicle, while various trim levels cater to different preferences and budgets. From the standard model to the top-tier trims, each variant offers a unique combination of features and luxury. Lincoln's focus on craftsmanship and attention to detail is evident throughout the Aviator, making it a standout choice in the luxury SUV market. If you are in the market for a premium SUV that delivers style, comfort, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator is worth considering. It strikes a perfect balance between performance and elegance, making it an excellent option for families, professionals, or anyone who values a refined driving experience. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews, specs, and feature highlights of the latest cars. Your support helps us bring you quality content and stay updated with the newest automotive trends.